In this video, I'll show you how to add cinematic black bars to your footage in Premiere Pro for that widescreen, film-style look. To get started, I've already added my video clip to the timeline. Now go to the Project panel, click on the New Item button at the bottom, and choose Adjustment Layer. Leave the default settings and click OK. Next, drag the adjustment layer above your video on the timeline. This is where we'll apply the black bars so it doesn't affect your footage directly. Now go to the Effects panel and type in Crop. Drag the crop effect onto the adjustment layer. Then go to Effect Controls, and under Crop, adjust the top and bottom values to create the black bars. You can set top and bottom to something like 15%, but you can tweak it based on your style. But let's say you want the bars to animate in smoothly. Here's how to do that. Move the playhead to where you want the black bars to appear. Then click the stopwatch icons next to both top and bottom to create your starting keyframes. Set both values to 0. Now move the playhead ahead a few frames and increase top and bottom to 15%. When you play that back, the black bars will smoothly slide in for a more dynamic, cinematic intro.